Who's steering the ship? Unveiling the leadership behind Betterment. Ever wondered how your money grows magically at Betterment? It's not just algorithms and automation, there's a team of brilliant minds guiding the way. But who's at the helm? Today, we're diving deep to uncover the owner of Betterment, the driving force behind this innovative financial platform. From frustration to financial revolution, the birth of Betterment. The story starts in 2007, a time marked by the Great Recession. Many, like our protagonist, felt frustrated with the traditional financial system. Investment options seemed opaque, fees were high, and personalized guidance felt non-existent. Enter John Stein, a man with a vision to democratize investing. Stein, with his background in technology and finance, saw an opportunity. He believed everyone, regardless of wealth or experience, deserved access to smart, automated investing. This was the genesis of Betterment, a robo-advisor platform that would revolutionize the way people manage their money. Building a Betterment future, the role of the founder and CEO. So, we know Stein is the mastermind behind Betterment, but his title goes beyond just founder. He's also the current Chief Executive Officer, CEO. As CEO, Stein shoulders the responsibility of charting Betterment's course, ensuring its financial health, and fostering a company culture that embodies its core values. His journey with Betterment hasn't been without its challenges. From navigating the complexities of a new financial technology space to overcoming periods of slow growth, Stein's leadership has been instrumental in Betterment's success. Beyond the CEO, the power of a team. While Stein is undeniably the owner and a key leader, it's important to remember Betterment isn't a one-man show. A talented team of financial experts, data scientists, technologists, and customer service representatives work tirelessly behind the scenes. These individuals, under Stein's guidance, are the backbone of Betterment. They develop the algorithms that power the platform, curate investment strategies, and ensure a seamless user experience. Leadership beyond ownership, the evolution of Betterment. It's worth noting that ownership structures can evolve over time. While Stein is currently the owner, there's always the possibility of future investment rounds or acquisitions. However, the core principle of empowering individuals through smart investing remains at the heart of Betterment's mission. The future of Betterment, steering towards financial wellness. Looking ahead, Betterment's vision under Stein's leadership extends far beyond just managing investments. They're aiming to become a comprehensive financial wellness platform. This means offering tools for budgeting, managing debt, and planning for major life goals, all under one roof. Conclusion, it's about more than who owns Betterment. So, while we've uncovered that John Stein is the owner and CEO of Betterment, it's the combined efforts of a dedicated team that propels the platform forward. Their focus on innovation and a commitment to making financial wellness accessible sets Betterment apart in the ever-evolving fintech landscape. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.